SKOV launches a new wall fan in the BlueFan family called BF50. It is a 50-inch box fan with cone, which is optional, a perfect solution for both newly built houses and as a replacement in existing houses. The fan is available in a version with an air-controlled shutter and a motor-controlled shutter, respectively. This presentation focuses on the version with a motor-controlled shutter. BF50 combines a minimum energy consumption with a high airflow ratio. The pressure-stable design enables the fans to run efficiently. It always ensures optimum climate conditions in the livestock house. The BF50 fan is also available in stepless variants that can operate with a capacity range from 0 to 100%. It ensures an optimal and correct airflow at all times. The BF50 is very energy efficient and ensures minimum energy consumption to exhaust air from the livestock houses. The pressure-stable design ensures that the fans run optimally, also in windy weather. BF50 has low energy consumption. When used in combination with the dynamic multi-step control principle, the customer gets the most energy-efficient ventilation system on the market with this size of fan. The BF50 is made of thermoplastics and stainless steel, so it withstands the harsh environment in a livestock house. The fan has directly driven wings, which means that no adjustments and maintenance of belts are needed. The BF50 is available with a motorized shutter that remains in its correct position always to ensure the right airflow. Furthermore, you can set the shutter system to open automatically in case of power failures. The box-shaped design and the airtight shutters have a high degree of insulation, which prevents drafts and minimizes condensation when the fan is not in operation. With the BF50, SKOV launches a new generation of BlueFan that sets new standards for wall fans. Savings on the electricity bill ensure a rapid return of investment and a long-standing reduction of energy consumption.